The National Electrical Code, specifically Article 760.42, addresses electrical installations in stairways. This section outlines what is permitted within these areas. NEC Article 760.42 Electrical installations in stairways states the following. Firstly, 760.42 are permitted installations. Where required by the provisions of this article, electrical installation shall be permitted in stairways. This means that if other articles within the NEC require electrical installations in stairways, they are allowed. Secondly, 760.42b enclosures for conductors. Electrical installations within stairways shall be installed in approved enclosures. This requires that all electrical installations within stairways must be housed in approved enclosures, such as conduits, to ensure safety and protection. Thirdly, 760.42c auxiliary systems. Auxiliary systems such as signal, telephone, alarm, and public address systems shall be permitted to be installed in stairways. This allows for the installation of auxiliary systems within stairways, provided they meet the relevant requirements. There is an exception: conductors of audio systems shall be permitted to be installed exposed on the surface of ceiling panels that are secured in place by a lay-in-type suspension system, if such panels are not easily removable. The article implies that only electrical installations related to the stairway are permitted. While it doesn't explicitly prohibit other types of raceways or conduits from being installed in the stairway, the focus is on installations that serve the stairway itself. For example, wiring for lighting within the stairway, fire alarm systems, or emergency communication systems would be considered related to the stairway. Consider a scenario where a multi-story building is undergoing renovations. The electrical contractor is tasked with installing new wiring. The question arises whether conduits for general electrical services not directly related to the stairway can be run through the stairwell. According to NEC Article 760.42, the primary focus is on electrical installations that directly serve the stairway. This includes lighting, fire alarms, and communication systems intended for use within the stairway. If the conduits are for general power distribution or other services unrelated to the stairway, it's implied that these should be routed elsewhere. The NEC emphasizes safety and proper installation methods. The enclosures for conductors requirement in 760.42b ensures that any electrical wiring within the stairway is protected from physical damage and environmental factors. This is particularly important in stairways, which are often high-traffic areas and can be subject to moisture or other environmental concerns. The exception regarding audio systems provides some flexibility for specific types of installations. If audio system conductors are installed on ceiling panels that are part of a secure lay-in suspension system, they can be exposed. However, this exception is limited to audio systems and requires that the panels are not easily removable, ensuring that the wiring remains protected and inaccessible to unauthorized persons. In practical terms, this means that if you are installing electrical systems in a stairway, you should firstly identify the purpose of the electrical installation. Determine if it is directly related to the function and safety of the stairway itself, such as lighting or fire alarms. Secondly, ensure that all electrical installations are housed in approved enclosures, such as conduits or raceways. This protects the wiring from damage and ensures compliance with safety standards. Thirdly, if you are considering installing auxiliary systems like telephone or public address systems, verify that they meet the requirements of NEC Article 760.42c and any other applicable codes. Fourthly, if you are dealing with audio systems and considering the exception for exposed conductors on ceiling panels, confirm that the panels are securely installed and not easily removable. In summary, NEC Article 760.42 provides specific guidance on electrical installations in stairways. It emphasizes that permitted installations should be directly related to the stairway's function, housed in approved enclosures, and compliant with all relevant safety standards. While the code does not explicitly prohibit other types of raceways, the implication is clear that the focus should be on installations that serve the stairway itself.